Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Meena from the movie Sing, the animated movie Sing. So, he's a shy elephant, and that's pretty much it. I think it's an elephant, right? Not an anteater. All right, elephant. All right, let's get started. You can definitely do this. It's completely for beginners, okay? And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I'm going to spoon feed it to you like a baby bird. All right, let us do this. Curve for the ear, or top of the ear. And I'm going to curve it down, all right? I'm going to curve it down. Over here. Curve, pulling in. All right. Curve. Pulling in. Down. Gonna go over here. Pulling out. For the trunk. This is the head, this is the trunk. All right. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna have her eye over here. Very small eye. Go over here, curve. Line over here. Down, down. Dot, dot. Alrighty. Gonna go to the top of the head. She's gonna have little pigtails right there. Little square over here. Little square over here. And on this side, I'm gonna pull out, zigzag, and I'm gonna pull in. Over here on this side, out, zigzag, and I'm gonna pull in. Okay. Going over here on this side of the trunk, gonna pull in, curve down. Gonna go over here and find the far side ear. This is the ear, the trunk, and then we're gonna do the far side ear now. Curve, down, up. All right. Right here for top of her shirt. It's got like a hoodie thing going on. Line over here from the hoodie. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's take a little break. Hit that subscribe button right now. Make this the video you do it in. I go over a lot of other characters in Sing. I go over other animated characters to draw from. I'm putting up 3 drawing tutorials to teach you guys 3 times every single day, every single weekday. So there's a whole lot of videos coming out. When you press subscribe and the bell notification, it's going to give you the thumbnail. So there's no loss. But yeah, thank you so much. If you find my work worth your time, please consider subscribing. Gonna go over here with the hand now. Out. Right here's like a nub. Another nub. Another nub. Curve, curve, curve. Over here, curve. So it's got her hands clasped together like worried. Right here for the other hand. Right here. Curve. Over here on this side. Over here on this side. Over here on this side. Line over here. Line over here. Curve over here. For kind of the edge of the shirt there. Or the edge of the sweater. Edge of the hoodie, sorry. Line out here for the shoulder. And I'm going to pull a line downward right here from the shoulder down to the elbow. Curving, pull in, curve underneath. Over here. Pull up. Over here. Pull up a little bit for this fold on the shirt, on the hoodie there. Pull out, and then from here I'm gonna actually pull a line up her arm. Okay. There's a little bit of a hoodie sticking out in the back. So I'm going to draw this right here. Just a little, like, 2 bumps there. But it's for that hoodie. You can barely see it. Over here. Down, up. Line up here. Line up here for the folds. And let's go down and just draw it to the bottom of the hoodie. Pull down, down over here, down over here. And then maybe some lines over here. I don't want to draw the bottom of the hoodie because it's going to look like she's missing her legs or something. I want to make it look like a vignette, like it ends kind of in an attractive manner. Let's draw a little bit of her trunk. Line. 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 Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. Likes are what fuels the channel. They're literally what fuels the channel. It's like when you throw coal, inside of a furnace and it fuels it. That's literally what the channel is fueled on. The only reason we survive is because of all the likes. So hit up the like here, and any other video you liked, hit that like button for sure. Go back and hit that like. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. That is it. That is Meena from Sing. You guys are amazing. Stay tuned to the announcement. I'm going to tell you about my drawing lessons, and that is it. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.